Draw Learning. Today we are going to draw a dinosaur while we learn Spanish. We draw the head. Now the eye, that in Spanish is said, ojo. Let's draw the teeth. Now his little arms, that in Spanish is said, brazos. Very good. Let's go with the legs, that in Spanish is said, piernas. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say teeth in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Now let's go with the green color, that in Spanish is said, verde. Now we use light green. Now we use red. Let's see if you know the answer. Teeth, that in Spanish is said, dientes. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.